Hello, welcome to Lowry Solutions. Today we will be introducing our new portfolio of industrial printer cleaning supplies and walk through some quick demonstrations on how to keep your industrial thermal printer clean to extend the printhead's life and ensure clear and consistent image quality. We offer a comprehensive portfolio of different industrial printer cleaning supplies. Remove the alcohol-based cleaning wipe and wipe down the outer case as well as the internal components, including platen rollers and ribbon spindles, to remove any silicone buildup. The alcohol-based wipe can also aid in disinfection. Using the cleaning pen, open the printhead and swipe the pen a couple of times across the printhead's front. We recommend cleaning the printer after every 2 ribbons or 4 rolls of labels have been consumed. We provide several options for cleaning cards: 2-inch width for narrow printers and 4-inch width for wider printers. If your printer is wider than 4 inches, you can run the card twice, with the card aligned on the left side and the right side. Slide the card underneath the printhead and close the printhead lever to apply pressure to the card. Pull the card out, which will remove any dust or dirt on the printhead. Pop swab is an industrial-sized cotton swab pre-moistened with cleaning solvent. Run the swab across the front of the printhead and any plates that appear to contain dirt and residue. WAFFLE technology. Used just like a cleaning card, but contains multiple textures for an extra thorough cleaning of the printhead. For additional information, please visit LowrySolutions.com. Call 888-881-2477 or email info@LowrySolutions.com.